Mega Million.
Yeah,
We have the nickname that.
buya coach wami wasekahle.
Uyazi ukuthi wayakunikeza le nickname.
Ngazi.
Okay. Quick round, like utshela abantu ukuthi ubani, buya kuphi, udlala for which team and which position.
Igama lami uMetezi Munese, ngidlale iKhathoka Cyber kabini. King midfielder mara ngidlala eziwing.
Yeah, ngibonile udlala as a winger today. Masiqale ngegame namhlanje. Today you gave 2 good assists. Mina personally, I thought the second one it was the good one because you break a line the pass. What did coach want from you personally and the team today?
Coach umtsheli ukuthi strive amabhola sibamba amabhola. Bazothuka sibapresse. Into siyenzile namhlanje. Sithatha amabhola kubo.
Ngizela to congratulate you mfethu for winning midfield of the tournament, Engine Knockout Challenge. What does it mean to you?
Kumina okukhulu kimi ngoba into ezinhle seziyenza manje. Neteam yethu seyiza right. Yonke into yeza right.
Ngokwe-football ngibonile uke wavela nase-Naturena. Just ubuya kuphi ngowe-football? When did you start believing ukuthi le nto ingasho something kuwe?
Empolweni ngale ngisasemncane kakhulu. Maybe 6 years.
Serious?
Yeah.
And what was, because siyazi ukuthi i-Engine Knockout Challenge but is where featured the skill legend start. You were the best midfielder in the tournament, so that means doors have to open. So ufisa ukuthi kwenzakaleni for the achievement ayitholile kwi-Engine?
For that achievement engitholile ngifisa maybe nje phelele season, maybe next season kwazi ukuthola i-team right.
Finally that if umuntu akakaza kubheka udlala ibhola ungathi yini strength sakho as a player?
Straight as a player,
yeah,
bamba ibhola nje
yeku
straight
ubreak amawini. No, siyabonga ndoda ukuthi sikhulume nawe namhlanje. We came to talk to you and your coach and just to say congratulations and we wish you all the best. May the future start to give in now. And for when personally to keep working hard. Don't stop working hard. Sharp.